Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make this quick and simple little delicate seed bead ring. So what you're going to need is some 5mm stretch thread, a accent bead, whatever kind you want. I have some flat back sew-on AB rhinestone beads here. I'm pretty sure I got these on eBay, but I don't remember the seller. And some small seed beads. These came from the dollar store. These are little glass seed beads, so I really don't know exactly what size, but it doesn't really matter. You can pick whatever size you like. So what you're going to do is you want some extra thread, so measure like twice across around your finger and have some extra. So then we'll just start threading on some seed beads. Now with these cheaper beads, sometimes they're a little bit different size, so I'm trying to pick ones that are generally the same size. So you get about halfway around your finger, and then you want to add your accent bead. So you don't want the knot at the accent bead point. Now you can also make this with just seed beads all the way around, or you can use a different color seed bead, like a gold one, as your accent bead. It doesn't really matter. This is very simple. So I'm going to go through this sew-on AB bead here. There we go. And then I'm going to continue with the other half of the ring, threading on more seed beads. I'll just check it for size every now and again. I need a couple more. Now because you're using stretch thread, this is very forgiving. You can have it a little bit too small. Just veer on the side of being a little small, and it will stretch. Now once you have the ring the length that you want it, just put on one more seed bead, and then we're going to cross on one end, and then we're going to cross the other end through. Now with stretch thread, what I like to do is like pull it over the end and hold the bead in between my fingers, because it can be a little bit difficult getting that other end through there. And there we go. As you can see, you're just crossing it through and pulling it down. And now we're going to tie just a regular knot. Like that. And I like to knot it a couple of times. Okay, now you can trim off your excess. So here we have it, a beautiful little delicate ring that was really quick and simple to make. You can make multiples and stack them up, or just wear them alone like this. They're good for your fingers, your toes, and they will fit pretty much any size finger because there's a good bit of stretch in there. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy little seed bead ring.